Hello students, welcome to CR Digital Classes. I'm Hasham Ali Khan. The CR Digital Classes will provide you immense knowledge on your subject so that you can write examination with full confidence and get excellent marks in your examination. Now presently, I'm explaining about the topic single entry, which is in Unit 4 of Financial Accounting 2. Now in this paper, you will get 4 marks question as well as 12 marks in this single entry. So for 4 marks question, sometimes theory, sometimes problem will be asked. Different type of problems I've already explained. So many videos I've provided. Now in this video, I'm going to explain you purchases. In the past examination, 2 times they have asked purchases, finding out the total purchases, finding out the credit purchases. So one problem last video I've explained you how to find out the total purchases by preparing trading account. Now in this video, one more similar type of problem had been asked in earlier examination, that is Jan 2021. So here again, we have to calculate purchases. What is the problem here? From the following information, you are required to calculate total purchases. Cash purchases are given. That means whenever it is asking you total purchases, you should remember cash purchases as well as credit purchase. Cash purchases are given, so you have to calculate credit purchases. So what information is given? Creditors as on January 1st, 2018, 40,000. Cash paid to creditors, 1,40,000. And creditors as on 31st December 2018, closing creditors, that is 1,30,000. This is the information. By preparing total creditors account, we can find out credit purchases. And by adding cash purchases and credit purchases, we will get the total purchases. Now, how to find out the credit purchase? By preparing total creditors account, I am going to show now. Now we'll start the solution of this problem. Finding out the credit purchases by preparing total creditors account. You know, creditor is a liability and all liabilities will show credit balance. So opening balance should always be taken on the credit side. So here I am taking by balance brought down. Opening balance. See how much is the opening balance of creditors on 1st January 2018. It is 40,000. Secondly, cash paid to creditors. When we pay the cash to creditors, the entry will be creditors account debit, bank account credit. We are paying to creditors. Cash is going out, so bank account should be credited. Whereas creditors account should be debited. So here I am taking bank or cash. Even you can write cash. Sometimes cash will be paid, sometimes a check will be issued. So how much is the cash paid to creditors? 1,40,000. So here I am taking 1,40,000. Now closing balance. Closing balance is also given in the problem. Remember, opening balance we have taken on the credit side. So closing balance we will take it on the debit side. So here I am taking to balance carried down. How much is the closing balance of creditors on 31st December? It is 1,30,000. 1,30,000. Now remaining is the credit purchases. What is the entry when we purchase the goods? Purchases account debtor, creditors account credit side. So creditors account will be credited and purchase account will be debited. So here credit side I am taking here purchases. This is the balancing figure. Which purchases we got? Credit purchases. That is a balancing figure. Now take the total on the debit side to 2,70,000. Here also 2,70,000. From 2,70,000, subtract 40,000. So you will get 2,30,000. What is this 2,30,000? Credit purchases. Whatever purchase we got in creditors account, these are the credit purchases. right? But in the problem, it is asking you to calculate total purchases. The total purchase consists of cash purchases plus credit purchase. Cash purchase, calculation of total purchase. So I'm taking here cash purchases, which is given in the problem. The cash purchases are 20,000. We have not calculated, it is already given. Credit purchases we have calculated just now. Credit purchases. The credit purchases are 2,30,000. Now simply add up 20,000 plus 2,30,000. The total purchases are 2,50,000. This is called total purchases. Total purchase. That's all. This is the end of this problem. We have calculated total purchase in 2 steps. That is, first step, finding out the credit purchases. Second step, total purchases. So in this problem, I explained you about how to find out the total purchases. Cash purchases plus credit purchase. What I have done here, a table I have drawn where separately I have added up cash purchases and credit purchase. But instead of making the table, simply you can make an equation. You can make a formula. You will get the full marks whether you prepare the table or simply write the equation to get the total purchase. How I am writing it here? See carefully. Total purchases. So total purchases is equal to total purchases is equal to cash purchases plus credit purchases. In both ways you can calculate credit purchases. Credit purchases. So here cash purchases are given in the problem. How much is the cash purchase? 20,000. Simply write down 20,000. Plus credit purchases, just now we have calculated in the creditors account 2,30,000. 2,30,000. So total will become 2,50,000. So 2 methods. You can make it a table, or without table, simply by writing in an equation form, you can find out total purchases. So in this way, we can find out the purchases which are frequently asked in examination. Similar type of problem had already been asked in the last video. I have explained how to calculate the purchases account by making trading account. Just I'll show you how we have calculated similar pattern problem. Similar pattern problem. Here also we have calculated the purchases, but the information given in the problem is regarding opening stock, closing stock, gross profit, direct expenses. Indirect expense should not be taken. It will go to profit and loss account. So here also similarly we have calculated purchase account. In the last video I have explained this problem. So this problem and just now we have solved the problem are of the same nature, calculating the purchases. Hope you understood the problem. So from CR Publications point of view, all the best for your preparations and for your exams.